contents are there. First, purpose of estimation and costing, need of estimation and costing, demerits of improper estimate, qualities of good estimator, data required for estimation, sample estimation sheet, purpose of estimate, rough estimate, detailed estimate, supplementary estimate, annual maintenance estimate, revised estimate, and factor affecting on estimate. Now, first point is purpose of estimation and costing. Before starting any new program or project, it is necessary to know the material required, their quantities, market rates, and their costing thereof. Estimation is foundation of any project and basic activity involved in contract. To estimate the project, we need to understand the scope of project, material quantity, current market rates, and old project data bank. By estimating the project, we will get an idea about project cost and overhead involved in various parts materials, manpower, transportation, contingency charges, etc. Estimator must have familiar with current market rates of various equipments and products. Proper estimation gives certainty about money required and availability of material. Next point, need of estimation and costing. Ensure the investment involved in project will not be misused. To avoid the shortage of material which results delay in projects or contract. To complete the contract in desired time. Contract. Observe the contract in each and every stage and to take the corrective misuse of money and assets. Demerits of improper estimation. Improper material consideration in estimation may create problem in purchasing the components sometimes. Improper estimation may result delay in project delivery. Sometimes contractor may lose the money in contract due to delay due to liquidated damages. Improper factors, that is labor charges, contingencies, contract margin, etc. may result loss in contracts. Hence, to avoid this, estimation shall be done by experienced and skilled estimator. Next point is qualities of good estimator. Estimator must have knowledge of following things. He should have knowledge of making estimate and he must have up to date. Present prices, specifications of items should be known to him. Therefore, market study is must for him. He should have a foresight of fluctuations and availability of different materials items in the market. Frequent visit to work site, progress of the work, need of additional items must be known to him. He should have experimenting power and good imagination. Price list with him shall be updated by him time to time. He must have knowledge about how to make estimation, knowledge about project. Estimator must have knowledge about present market rates. He must have knowledge about how to read the single line diagram, electric drawings, various schemes, etc. He should have good forecasting skills. He must be familiar with project progress, up to date with information. He should be updated with all the revisions, modifications happened in projects. Need of additional items in contract to be known to estimator. Thank you.